What's up guys? For today's workout, ang gagawin natin is mixture of whole body, legs workout, and core. 5 exercise sa whole body, 5 exercise sa legs, and 5 exercise sa core. 45 seconds interval. Dun sa 5 exercise na gagawin natin, 10 seconds lang interval noon, 20 seconds work. Okay, are you ready? Tara, sabayan nyo kami. First workout natin is like this. Okay, 20 seconds. Ready? Position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. 20 seconds. Yan. Yes, my mic. This is beginners friendly, guys. Beginners friendly. 10 seconds. And stop, 10 seconds rest. Next natin is jog in place. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Inhale, exhale. 10 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2. Okay, rest. 10 seconds. Next exercise is jumping jacks. Ready? And go. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, relax. 10 seconds rest. Next, like this. Bring your hands up. Then 1, 2. And go. Inhale, exhale, guys. Let's go. 10 seconds. Okay, rest. Last exercise is ankle taps. So bounce like this. Start left. 3, 2, 1, go. Bounce. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, guys, rest for 45 seconds. Our next exercise or group of exercise, we're gonna hit your lower body. All right, so rest for a while. For the video, 30 seconds lang yung gagawin nating rest, pero pwede nyo i-post, okay? If you want more rest. Okay, 10 seconds. First exercise, you're gonna start with basic squats. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Slowly and controlled. Most especially if you are a beginner. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, rest. Next, step forward. Then lunge, alternate. Ready? Start right. 3, 2, 1, go. Slowly. To avoid injury, controlled. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, and rest. Next, wide stance, sumo squats. Okay, so like this. 3, 2, and go. 20 seconds. Let's go, guys. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, rest. Next is side kicks. Okay, for your glutes and inner outside of your legs, and go. One side only. Get your balance. 20 seconds. Let's go. 10 seconds. This will target your balance and your glutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, and other side. Rest for 10 seconds. Then, after this set, we're gonna do core. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Balance, guys. This is for beginners, guys, okay? 10 seconds. Stomach in, straight body. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, rest. Okay, rest for 45 seconds, 30 to 45 seconds. For the video, 30 seconds lang. Pero if you wanna rest longer, you can pause the video and rest. Next, get your mat. Okay, we're gonna do abs. Sit down on the floor. Okay, first workout is knee to chest, like this. Okay, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 20 seconds, knee to chest. Go. Extend your legs, then squeeze your tummy. Let's go, guys. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, rest for 10 seconds. Next, we're gonna do Russian twist. Feet on the floor if hindi nyo kayang iangat. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Start left. If you kaya nyong iangat, iangat nyo siya. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Next, like this. Then bring your knees forward. Okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go. Slowly. Don't rush. So you can feel it on your core. Let's go, guys. Push. 10 seconds. After this, last 2 exercise na lang. Alright, relax. Next, lie down on the floor. Leg raises. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Up and down. 10 seconds. Okay, relax. Then, last exercise, finishers. Try to reach your knees. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, go. Hands up, then reach. 15 seconds. Let's go, guys. 10 seconds. 4. Alright, nice one. Whoa. Guys, I hope na-enjoy nyo yung video. Please subscribe and follow for the next workout videos. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.